Exploration and Voyager spirit are part of Plymouth, and Plymouth Gin is here because of that access to the world. All of the ingredients coming into the distillery where we turn it into Plymouth Gin and then exporting the gin around the world. My name is Sean Harrison and I'm the Master Distiller for Plymouth Gin. We're very lucky as an old brand that we have archives that go back literally to the beginning of the gin. I came across these 2 pages that started off at the top with Mr. King's recipe, dated the 1st of March 1842. And when you're a geek about gin, that gets your attention. So using the 1842 Mr. King's recipe, we've been able to make it a single source product by going up into the hillsides of Umbria and then using the water from Dartmoor and to put it together to develop a recipe that works today. We have a house style. Plymouth Gin is renowned for being smooth and creamy, and that comes from the orris root. So having the ability to use orris root within the Mr. King's recipe means that we can keep the house style, but also celebrate the uniqueness and the great flavour that is juniper. Plymouth Gin is a juniper-based gin, and Mr. King's recipe is a juniper-based gin. We realised when we found Mr. King's recipe that we had something that was really authentic and very, very special to Plymouth Gin. And we want to develop more recipes around the classic themes of what juniper is. I think we've achieved that.